Okay. Sorry, I wasn't ready. But we're doing a tag video about what is your favorite thing about a rainy day. Rainy day, silly head.
Sunny day.
A rainy day. I like the sound of the rain. It puts me to sleep. It's very soothing, like the pitter patter, and you get like the best naps on a rainy day. What is your favorite thing about a rainy day?
Well, I like to go to a place that has a lot of food and video games. It has tickets. And I like to do something that is fun outside. Try to play with the rain. Bye.
That was it? Okay. So you know what I like, you know what she likes. So let us know what you like. If you like this channel, hit that subscribe button. You will be seeing more from us. Thank you. Bye.